There we go. I want to go to something like this. Like, here in the US, we got NASCAR. I've been to a NASCAR event before. It's pretty cool. Oh my God. Buddy just flipped everything. I was actually watching a video over on my TikTok pretty recently of apparently like the best in the world at this. I think he passed away actually, like driving. I don't know what his name was, but it was insane seeing it from the driving, like the driver's seat. I think he just popped a tire. That boy is gunning it. So from what I heard, they have the navigator in the navigation in the passenger seat, and then they got the driver. And when you hear the navigator talk, yeah, they're talking, if you know what I mean.